In the 1800s, over 80% of the world was living in poverty, extreme deprivation. No food, shelter, clothing. But today, that number is less than 10%. When the car was first invented, everybody thought that people who are in the business of horse sale and resale are going to lose their job. And of course they did. But you know what? A bunch of new jobs were also created: cab drivers, fleet managers, car rental services, mechanics, car washing services, people who are involved in the business of building roads, rest areas, gas stations, and you name it. It's the same story with ATM machines where people thought it's going to kill the jobs of cashiers and bank tellers. And that's exactly what happened. But then what also happened was a new role was created in banking, which is called a relationship manager. Now, a lot has happened since 1800s. Industrialization, railroads, factories, airplanes, women empowerment, technology, computers, mobile phones, and guess what? We're doing better than ever. Now, do you have anything to worry about? And the answer is yes. If you are adamant and if you strongly believe that horses are the future, then yes, you do have something to worry about. Now, I heard this great analogy of thinking about AI like refrigeration. Now, the people who invented refrigeration did make some money, but the real winners were companies like Pepsi and Coca-Cola who figured out how to use refrigeration to build a global business. Think of refrigeration like AI. Your job is to build the next Coca-Cola or be part of the team that's building the next Coca-Cola. That's the way to think about this. I will see you tomorrow.